Hey everyone, so today in class we were up and about and we were actually making our linear functions by being the graph. So I wanted you to have another review to go back and make sure you understand how to graph a linear function. So we talked about today that a linear function is a function that points lie on a line. So we've been using the slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. So first we have to identify the slope, which is 2. Always set it up as a ratio, so 2 over 1. Move up 2, right 1. Since there's no y-intercept here, we know what we're going to start at 0, 0. And then from the point, I go up 2, 1, 2, to the right 1. Up 1, 2, to the right 1. Up 1, 2, to the right 1. If we wanted to go the opposite, we talked about how we go the opposite of up, which is down, opposite of right, which is left. And then we graph our line. Remember, we want to extend our graph throughout. So let's look at this one. First, we want to identify the slope, which is negative 2 over 1. So again, that means down 2, right 1. We always give the top number the negative. And we're going to cross through at a positive 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I go down 2, 1, 2, to the right 1. Down 2, to the right 1. Down 2, to the right 1. Opposite, up 2, to the left 1. Then I'm going to graph my line. Since it's a negative slope, we know we should have a negative line. So let's look at this one. The slope is 1 over 2, up 1, right 2, and we're crossing through at the 3. So 1, 2, 3, up 1, to the right 2, up 1, to the right 2, up 1, to the right 2, down 1, to the left 2, down 1, to the left 2. Remember, if your point is not in the line, you know you've made a mistake and you need to go back and look at it. So here are the slope, 1 over 5, up 1, right 5. Up 1, crossing through 0, 0, where our y-intercept is, up 1, to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up 1, to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down 1, to the right, 1, left, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Extend your line. Go ahead and try this one on your own. You should have identified the slope as 3 over 1, means up 3 to the right 1, starting at negative 7. So up 3 to the right 1, up 3 to the right 1. Go ahead and try this one on your own. You should have identified the slope to be a negative 1 over 3, so down 1 to the right 3. Crosses through at 2, down 1 to the right 3, down 1 to the right 3. Here is quiz question 1. So in your note, you want to make sure that you write down the function on the top of your graph on your paper. So y equals 2/3 x, and then graph it. Here is quiz question 2. Again, make sure you put the function at the top of the graph. And here is quiz question 3. Remember what imaginary number is in front of that x. So bring your notes along with the 3 quiz questions. Make sure you have what the function is at the top of the graph. And I will see you tomorrow.